This is the RONDO single-unit processor. It is the world's first cable-free single-unit processor for cochlear implants. The coil, control unit, and battery pack are integrated into one device. The RONDO audio processor consists of a control unit, a battery pack, and a magnet. The control unit includes one microphone, two indicator lights, and a replaceable magnet. Slots for the individual zinc air batteries are located on the underside of the battery pack. The on-off switch and a release lever are located on the side of the RONDO battery pack. Attachment holes are positioned on either side of the battery pack. A line attached to the clip may be threaded here.